The world of automobiles is constantly evolving, and in recent years we've seen innovations that were once considered impossible. One of the most groundbreaking developments is the introduction of a solar-powered car designed to be production-ready for real-world use. This revolutionary step has been taken by a Dutch company called Lightyear. Their creation, known as the Lightyear Zero, represents the first truly functional and commercially available solar electric vehicle. It isn't just another concept that will sit in a showroom or fade away after an auto show. It is an actual car designed to be driven, owned, and experienced on the road. Lightyear was founded in 2016 by a team of engineers who originally worked on the Solar Team Eindhoven project, a group of young innovators who had already proven their abilities by winning multiple world championships in solar car challenges. These visionaries had a bold mission: to create a sustainable, efficient, and practical solar-powered car that could help reduce dependency on charging infrastructure and make clean transportation accessible to more people around the world. The result of years of research, testing, and development is the Lightyear Zero. This vehicle combines advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and integrated solar panels to create something truly unique. Unlike conventional electric vehicles that rely solely on charging from a plug, the Lightyear Zero can generate its own energy directly from the sun. Covering the roof and the hood are 5 square meters of solar panels, seamlessly integrated into the body of the car. These panels are not an afterthought or a gimmick, they are highly efficient and designed to continuously feed energy to the battery. This design allows the car to extend its driving range in a way no other electric vehicle can. In optimal conditions, the solar panels can provide up to 70 kilometers of additional range per day. That means for many drivers, especially those with shorter daily commutes, the Lightyear Zero could go for weeks or even months without needing to be plugged into a charger. Imagine the freedom of not constantly worrying about charging stations or the stress of range anxiety. The efficiency of the Lightyear Zero is one of its strongest attributes. It has been engineered to be the most aerodynamic production car in the world, with a drag coefficient of just 0.19. Every curve and surface has been carefully designed to minimize resistance and maximize efficiency. This is why the vehicle can achieve an impressive range of around 625 kilometers on a single full charge of its battery, even without solar input. When combined with the free energy harvested from the sun, the practical range extends even further, making it a real game-changer in the electric mobility sector. But range and solar panels are not the only aspects that make the Lightyear Zero special. The interior has also been crafted with sustainability in mind. The company has used plant-based leather, fabrics made from recycled bottles, and responsibly sourced natural materials like rattan palm. It's not only about driving clean, it's also about living clean and making sure that every detail of the car aligns with the broader mission of sustainability. Technology plays a vital role in the Lightyear Zero's user experience as well. The cabin is equipped with a sleek, modern infotainment system that supports over-the-air updates, ensuring the car's software remains up-to-date without the need for service center visits. The digital interface is intuitive, designed to give drivers easy access to essential features without overwhelming them. From a performance perspective, the Lightyear Zero is not built to be a sports car or a speed demon, but rather a highly efficient cruiser. It uses in-wheel motors that allow for precise control and efficient energy use. The acceleration is smooth, and the driving feel is refined, focusing on comfort and practicality. The emphasis is not on breaking speed records but on achieving maximum efficiency and delivering an entirely new kind of driving experience. One of the most fascinating aspects of this car is how it changes the way we think about refueling and charging. With traditional gasoline cars, you need to fill up at a gas station. With electric cars, you need to find a charging station. But with the Lightyear Zero, the car fuels itself while parked outside in the sun. Even when it is cloudy, the panels still collect some energy. Over the course of a year, this can translate into thousands of kilometers of free driving, all thanks to the power of the sun. Of course, as with any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges and limitations. The Lightyear Zero is not a cheap car. It is a premium vehicle with a price tag of around €250,000, positioning it in the luxury segment of the market. This means it is not immediately accessible to the average consumer. However, the company's vision extends beyond this first model. The Lightyear Zero serves as proof of concept, a statement that solar-powered mobility is possible today. The knowledge, experience, and technologies developed with this model will pave the way for more affordable vehicles in the future, such as the planned Lightyear 2, which is expected to be much more accessible to the mass market. The importance of this achievement cannot be overstated. Transportation is one of the largest contributors to global carbon emissions, and shifting to clean energy vehicles is essential for addressing climate change. While electric vehicles are a huge step forward, they still depend on charging infrastructure, which can be limited in certain parts of the world. Solar-powered cars like the Lightyear Zero offer a new dimension of freedom and sustainability by making cars less dependent on external energy sources. Beyond individual use, the Lightyear Zero also sparks new possibilities for regions with limited energy access. In many developing countries where charging infrastructure may not exist, a solar-powered car could provide reliable and independent transportation without relying on costly investments in charging networks. This has the potential to revolutionize mobility far beyond the wealthy markets of Europe or North America. Lightyear's achievement has already captured the attention of the automotive industry, policymakers, and environmentalists. It shows that innovation driven by passion and purpose can challenge the status quo. Just a decade ago, the idea of a solar-powered car capable of real-world use seemed far-fetched. Today, it's parked in driveways and making its way onto the roads. The Lightyear Zero is not just a car. It is a symbol of what's possible when technology meets vision. It redefines how we think about mobility, energy, and our relationship with the environment. While it might not yet be the car for everyone, it is the beginning of a journey toward vehicles that power themselves, vehicles that don't burden the planet, and vehicles that can take us into a cleaner, more sustainable future. For now, the Lightyear Zero stands as a remarkable achievement. It demonstrates that solar-powered cars are no longer confined to science fairs or futuristic sketches. They are here, in production, and ready to drive. The road ahead will involve challenges, from scaling production to making future models affordable, but the path has been set. The first step has been taken, and it is an extraordinary one. In conclusion, the Dutch company Lightyear has created something revolutionary with the Lightyear Zero. It's the world's first production-ready solar-powered car, capable of generating its own energy, reducing reliance on charging stations, and pushing the boundaries of sustainable mobility. It is more than just a car, it is a vision of the future, a milestone in the history of transportation, and an inspiring example of how innovation can move us closer to a cleaner and brighter tomorrow.